Right now, a galaxy bigger than ours is racing toward us at 250,000 miles per hour, and nothing can stop it. It's called Andromeda, our closest galactic neighbor, 2.5 million light years away. But it's not staying there. It's falling straight toward the Milky Way, pulled in by gravity. In about 4.5 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way will collide. Not explode, collide. Two galaxies, each with hundreds of billions of stars, merging into one giant galaxy. But here's the wild part. Almost no stars will actually crash into each other. Space is so empty the galaxies can pass through one another like ghosts. What actually gets destroyed? Both galaxies' shapes. They'll merge into a totally new elliptical galaxy scientists already named Milkomeda. Will humans even be around to see it? Comment your guess. Follow for more space scenarios.